Hello guys, my name is Satinder Punya. Welcome to my channel English Bolo Dil Se, and here you can easily see that my channel is providing very good and very great and very necessary information which you really need it. Look guys, my channel is twice benefit. First, you can speak English, you can fluent your English, you can improve your English, and this is the best decision you can take. And secondly, that you have a lot of idea that you can solve your problem, because I really don't think so any coaching, any school will give you this kind of information. And why would they give you? You don't will pay. You will pay only for them books and their test, their half exam, whole exam. Look guys, life is a complete task. Okay, I'm telling you, life is a full of task, life is a full of joy. But if you really want to be a survivor, if you really want to be live a good life, look, everyone want to become healthy, fit, lovable, romance, dance, laugh, everyone. But why only few people make like this, and other they are all about these critical thinking. I really don't have the poverty, jealousy. Why? It's all about that inner engineering. It's all about inner engineering, and my channel is providing you. My channel is providing you this kind of information. So yes, please, every day just wake up. It's a very wake up alarming, because now you can easily see that 2026 people are there are to become third world war. People are fighting to each other, people are excused to kill each other, and it become very dangerous. Okay, but I really want that you just become happy yourself. Okay, so that's why. And look guys, also take care of yourself, because heat wave increasing day by day. Okay, so yes guys, today's my topic is laughter. You know what guys, laughter is the best medicine which I really know, and you really have to adopt it, that laughter ability, that you have a humor, that you can laugh whole day and you can make other self laugh, because it will make environment very good. Okay, it will make very environment. Look guys, today's generation don't know what is the meaning of friend. Okay, today's generation really don't know what is the meaning of friend. But I'm telling you, friend is like a god gifted. God has best gift that your friend. Okay, so that's why I'm telling you, make a good friend, make pass your opinion, pass your point of view, then you will actually solve the problem. You will actually solve a big problem. So always just hunger about knowledge, passion, it's all about that. And also laughter is the most important thing. And here you can easily see that guys, if you just please like, share and subscribe my channel, I will get my channel monetized, and it will boost me, it will charge me. So yes, please, thank you very much. We will come next day. Thank you very much.